Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime video. In this video, I'm going to see, is your USB drive not showing up on your computer? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix it on Windows. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the basics. First, let's start with a few quick checks. Make sure your USB is plugged in properly. Try a different USB port or connect it directly. Avoid using hubs. If it has a light indicator, see if it's turning on. Try the same USB on another computer. That helps you know if the problem is with your drive or your system. Step 2. For Windows users, exFAT drive not showing up on Windows. Check in Disk Management on Windows, press Windows plus X, and click Disk Management. If your USB drive shows up without a letter, right-click it, choose Change Drive Letter and Paths, click on Add Drive Letter or Path, and assign a new letter. Click OK. If it says unallocated, right-click and select New Simple Volume to format it. Step 3. Use Command Prompt, Advanced Fix. If it's still not showing, try using the diskpart command. But be careful, this will erase everything on the drive. Now we're going to increase the difficulty and involve different file systems. If the drive appears partitioned, but you still can access it, it's probably partitioned with a different file system. For example, you may have formatted your drive with the XFS file system from Linux or APFS on Mac, but Windows can't read those file systems. You need to reformat the drive with a newer NTFS or with the older F32 file system so that Windows would be able to recognize it. Go to search for command type, open command prompt. Once the command line is open, type diskpart and press enter. The above command will open a diskpart window. In this window, type list disk and press enter. It will list all the available drives. Now type select disk number 2 as shown above. Specify the drive number which needs to be formatted. In this step, type clean. This command will permanently delete all files and folders and successfully clean up the disk. Close the old file. Open Disk Management in the Initialize Disk dialog box. Select New Simple Volume, which is the option, and then follow the wizard to click on Next. Specify volume size, click on Next, assign drive letter or path E, click on Next. Format partition file system, NTFS, click on Next, then click on Finish. Create a new partition. And that's it. Your USB drive should now show up again. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might be facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.